Malai chicken biryani. Make a marination: 7 to 8 small green chilies, 2 onion, blended. Malai chicken biryani with 2 TBSP, papaya paste optional, and onion and green chilies paste. We also need dried plums, maize javitri 1 piece, nutmeg jeffel 1 piece, button chilies 7 to 8, 1 TBSP white cumin, 1 TSP black cumin, cloves 8 9, star 2, black pepper 1 TSP, grind all spices except dried plums. Add more than half of this prepared masala in chicken. 1½ cup yogurt, dried plums, ginger garlic paste I forgot to add in start, lemon juice for TBSP, red chili powder 1 to TSP, depends on your spice levels, saffron essence, ½ cup of oil. Mix well, and last but not least, 1½ teaspoon of salt, and marinate for 1 hour. When you need to cook, just heat the pan and add marinated chicken. You don't need to add any water. Cover it until chicken is done. See, all is separated. The flame off, add ½ cup of cream, and mix it. For rice, add salt, mint leaves, green chilies, white cumin in boiling water. I have added ½ cup rice water, brown onion, leftover masala, podina, ginger, and 90% done rice. On top, add brown onion, some more same masala. 2 TBSP mix in ½ cup of water, food color, and 1 cup milk. Steam it for 5 minutes on high flame, 10 minutes on low flame. Yummiest biryani is ready.